Hello and welcome. With this video, we begin a short series of videos going over some of the new upcoming features of the Vcad viewer. Specifically, we'll be seeing how we can easily save any of the Forge viewer options, as well as how we can set an initial camera positioning, rotation, and zoom for our model. So first of all, let's have a look at the settings. So in the bottom right, we have the Forge viewer options. If we open it up, we'll be presented with this panel. Now from here, we can set both some of the graphical presentation aspects of our viewer, as well as improved performance, which is specifically useful when you're managing very large models. So for example, let's go to the navigation tab and let's remove the cube, the view cube, which we're not interested right now in. In the appearance section, for example, we can remove anti-aliasing and remove ground shadows to improve performance. And then finally, maybe for the presentation, we want a different background. We can put in this background and we're good to go. Now, once we're done, we simply close the panel and then we go to our save button in the bottom, click save. And now the settings we have set up have been saved within the Vcad custom visual, which means if we go to a different report tab and then back, we'll see that the settings we had set up will be loaded in and we have the model as we had it before. Now let's look at a second at camera positioning. So for example, let's rotate the model, zoom in a little and really position it in the way we want it. Now, once we're happy with the scene we have set up, once again, we can go down to the save button, click save, and then to test it out, switch to a different tab, come back, and we'll see that the report is being loaded in, the model is there, and the camera snaps back to the position that we had set up. Finally, we want these settings to be remembered inside of the report, so that next time that we open it, everything is up as we had set it. So we can simply save the report. At this point, if I were to close the report and open it back up again, all of my settings would be remembered. This, of course, also works with the browser version of Power BI in the same identical way. Thank you again for watching, and remember to stay tuned for our other upcoming videos on the new Vcad features.